Space, a frontier. We talk about it a lot on the channel. These are the voyages of our meteorology segments. Let's blast through it, starting with the surface winds of the eastern world. There are the surface winds. It's pretty windy in the western Pacific and south of Australia in the Southern Ocean. There is an anticyclone down there. That's a high pressure zone rotating counterclockwise as they do in the southern hemisphere. Next, the jet streams of the eastern world. And look at this divergence. The jet stream highly concentrated here and then just splitting in two. Yowzers. And you can see that anticyclone rotating all the way up to the 250 hectopascal winds mode, which we're viewing now. The 250 hectopascal winds are a specific band of pressure which shows us where the jet stream is located. Anticyclone over South America continues. These are the jet streams of the western world. Quite chaotic over Europe at this point. Jet streams usually blow west to east, and they are doing that, but they're kind of all over the place. And you can see that divergence here, the result of that becoming trans-equatorial there over the eastern Pacific. Here are the surface winds of the western world. Strong winds here in the central North Atlantic, as well as some odd calm areas. It's still a bad day for Viking invasions. Next, we're going to show you a snow depth forecast. So that's the next 3 days. That's the European forecast for snow depth over the next 72 hours. So the European forecast puts some snow here on us in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. The GFS forecast, heavier snow on the GFS forecast. That's from windy.com. They've got a great mobile app. Perhaps check that out. It could save your bacon. Here is the pressure and precipitation forecast for the next 72 hours from tropicaltidbits.com. Again, that's a GFS 72-hour precipitation and pressure forecast. Incredible amounts of snow continue to fall on California. Shout out to Smash Staff's mom. Thanks for the crocheted items and other things for Christmas. The zucchini bread is absolutely delicious. We've bought cream cheese to slather on it. Next, the GFS positive snow depth change forecast, and you can see a couple inches of snow forecasted here for eastern Pennsylvania. Also some freezing rain following the mopping up of today's snow. It should be interesting. Hopefully you won't be out driving at the moment. Here's your weather.gov map, and we've got some blizzard warnings in Minnesota and North Dakota. That's what those orange areas are. If your county's lit up, just click on it. We've got winter weather advisories for Lehigh County. Yeah, we're located in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Again, if your county's lit, head to weather.gov, click your county, figure out what the alert is. Let's go to the NASA GOES weather, NASA GOES not interactive weather satellite. It's the, let's try this again. Okay, the stream is going just fine. This is the NASA GOES lightning mapper. And we do see some lightning here over places like northern Illinois and southern Michigan. Let's see if we have any lightning on the real-time lightning map. No terrestrial lightning at the moment here according to lightningmaps.org, at least not over the U.S. We've got mostly lightning over the oceans at the moment. Let's continue on. To remind you that this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. It's such a great live streaming platform that we just use it on the regs. It's spectacularly good. So check us out over there, twitch.tv/smashamash. Host the channel if you're on Twitch. Help us gain some followers over there. We need lots and lots of funding to simply continue doing what we're doing. We are completely unsustainable, and we're about to go down the drain. So help us out via the links below the video. Become a member of the Smash team, pick up merch, etc. Thanks to everybody who has, especially the Smash team. We're also on BitChute. Look for more exclusives coming there before the end of the year because, well, I'm a little bit angry about some things, which I'll have to cover on those videos. Thanks to all the YouTube viewers who've put up with the pathetic and sickening censorship on the YouTube platform. YouTube, please fix your junkware. We insist. Check our playlists for lots more videos of all kinds of different subjects at smashamash.com. You can find links to the Smash team. I was talking about youtube.com/smashamash/playlists. Trying to blast through a lot of stuff here, folks. Let's continue on. You're all invited to join the Smash team. And if you want to see what kind of posts are showing up there, well, just click the links below the video. one of the things you can get are some free desktops. Yeah, I did some custom edits of the closest star here on Christmas Day. If you'd like some golden, delicious golden desktops or lock screens or whatever you'd like to use them for, check it out. Let's get back to meteorology and end the self-promotion. So here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, it's a very large body of water, and here's what's going on above it in the atmosphere. The world's largest and deepest ocean, the Pacific. It's a huge determinant of the weather at places like the west coast of South America and the U.S. Since the jet stream blows west to east most of the time. Strong anticyclone out here. In other words, a high pressure zone right there where you see that clockwise rotation. Dry massive air and clear skies over that part of the Pacific are the likely scenario there. Next, the U.S. Doppler Radar Map. There's your 50-state view. We'll focus on the lower 48. And we may already be getting snow here in Lehigh Valley as we record the videos. Actually, as I stream this one, I'm in the middle of recording the Daily Space Weather. Did you know? These meteorology segments premiere before the Daily Space Weather video, so make sure you check that out. YouTube.com/smAshomash/playlists. And if you're viewing the meteorology segments any place besides YouTube, there is a ton of exclusive content on YouTube that you're not seeing. Check out all the low clouds here over the eastern seaboard. Shout out to Keith from Martha's Vineyard. My favorite cyclist. My favorite customer cyclist. Next, the water vapor map for the lower 48. And Keith, we hope you're enjoying your bike. We hope it's working better than expected. It probably is. It's pretty sweet. And you can hit me up at curated.com/e/dan.nigro. Links below the video to that. If you'd like to purchase a bike, I can help you. It won't cost you anything extra. Here's your recap. The U.S. Doppler radar, the cloud layer, which is expressed in the form of shortwave radiation, part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. And here's the water vapor. That should give you insight into how these systems are going to move. This impulse of dry massive air is going to be providing some west to east propulsion for those systems. Anyway, that's all she wrote. Thanks for tuning into the meteorology segment. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And thanks for leaving a comment, Robert. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, least busted name in news.